Are you ready to kick it up a notch? Here is your ultimate 5-minute daily ritual to raise your vibrations and manifest your deepest desires. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about, your dreams and your goals. We believe that every sincere manifester deserves the money they desire, the love they crave, and the health that they depend upon. So today we're going to share what I call the ultimate 5-minute daily ritual that I think everybody ought to be doing because it raises your vibrations. But in addition to that, it takes opposite forces, opposite energies. I can't do it, I can do it. I don't want to, I do want to. It takes all of those energies that are opposite and brings them into equilibrium and harmony. So let me tell you a little bit about the ritual first. The ritual was invented by the late Dr. Israel Regardie, and he has an entire book dedicated to the middle pillar. That's what it's called. And the middle pillar really refers back to Solomon's ancient temple, because in that ancient temple, there were two pillars. There was the pillar of Jachin and the pillar of Boaz. And Jachin was this masculine energy, powerful, projective. Boaz was the feminine energy and receptive, creative. And so these pillars existed in Solomon's temple. But there's a third pillar, and that is the person who stands between the two opposite pillars of masculine and feminine, yin and yang, and blends those energies together. Now, he based this ritual on a more complex ritual that comes from the Golden Dawn, which was established in 1888, a Western mystery school. What I've done is I've codified it. Years ago, I realized that I could do this ritual and focus on an intention and literally embed my intention into my energy field in a harmonized, positive, high vibrational manner. And it increased my attraction ability. I mean, like very, very, very fast. I can give you some examples, but well, I'll give you one. I wanted a new car not long ago, and I wanted it on my terms with literally no interest. And I got it. And everybody said it couldn't be done. But I did it because I used the law of attraction, I placed the intention, and I did this particular exercise every day. Now, when the late Dr. Israel Regardie created this ritual, he used Hebrew divine names. And if you are interested in that, you can get the book, The Middle Pillar by Israel Regardie, or you can get Magical Energy Healing by myself and Rachel, and we go through this ritual from a more esoteric point of view. But I'm not here to give you an esoteric ritual. I'm here to share with you something that is practical that you can use every day. So you stand like so, and normally you would face west, but you could face east. It really doesn't make a difference for this exercise. And you take a few breaths to relax yourself. And the first thing you're going to do is visualize on top of your head, about the size of a soccer ball. You're going to visualize a white ball of light. This is the infinite light on a microprosopic basis, meaning the light within you. So, visualize the white light above your head. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Visualize the light is coming down through your entire body and then extending outward. And simply vibrate aloud your intention. Make your intention an I am statement. I am extremely wealthy. Money flows to me easily and often. And so I'm doing that while visualizing that infinite white light above my head. Now I take a deep breath in, bring a little ray of light down to my neck, and I'm going to visualize that white light above my head and at my neck. And again, I will close my eyes, and again, I will recite my intention in a positive I am statement. So now I have the light above my head and at my neck. I will take another deep breath in through the nose and feel as I'm breathing outward the light descending over my chest and my solar plexus. And as that light begins to heat up and I feel it and I can see it in my mind's eye, then I will state my affirmation again, or my intention, in an I am present tense statement. Now I'm going to use the same intention all the way down. We're not going to do different intentions. Now I will again breathe deep and bring the light around my groin area and my navel, all the way around my navel and groin area. And again, it's white light, and I will again see it above my head, at my neck, my chest, and now around my groin. And again, I will state aloud my intention in a positive I am statement. It'll be the same intention that I've used for all the other seers of light. And finally, I will bring the light all the way down to my feet, covering both of my feet. So now the light is above my head, my neck, my chest, my groin area, and my feet. And at this particular point, I will again state my intention. Finally, now that I have all these centers lit up, I will expand the light and I will recite my intention. How do I expand it? I have the light vibrating at these centers. So by breathing in deep and expanding my aura outwards, what am I doing? I'm expanding my intention. I'm literally sending my intention out in a very equilibrated way into the infinite field of potential. Now look, this is a simple exercise. At the end, I will simply close my eyes and have a moment of gratitude. I am grateful for what I have already manifested. In other words, my intention has already manifested. It is outside me. It is now inside me. It is impregnated into my energy field or my aura or sphere sensation, whatever you'd like to call it. And so now I'm in alignment. I'm in perfect alignment energetically with the universe, and I begin attracting that intention. Now, here, look. Start with a small intention. Take a small one. Make it small. And do this for a week. And then put the results right down below here, because you're going to literally be shocked and amazed at how well this works. Start with a small intention and then slowly work up to using this exercise to manifest larger intentions. It seriously works, and you're going to feel so good afterwards. Now, after you're done with your gratitude, then take a deep breath. Feel good. You're going to feel like a big, beautiful eagle. Oh, it's wonderful. And you're going to feel this light around you. You walk through the day and you just kind of feel this wonder. Oh, it feels good. It feels good. And you're going to feel better. And that brings you to a higher version of yourself. And that means you start to manifest more easily, with less effort, with less worry, with less doubt, and all the other kinds of things that people go through when they manifest. Do this. Share your results below. We love you so much. Thank you for subscribing and sharing this video. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.